How to make OSAMASON type beat. First, make synth melody. Make a pattern, then copy and paste through whole melody. Then layer it with pluck. Add the key and make ARP melody. And again, make a pattern, then copy and paste through whole melody. Add 2 different pads. And for the last part of the melody, add key. I've dropped my own drum kits and one-shot kits on Patreon, the exact sounds I use in my beats. If you're serious about your sound, tap in and level up. Hi-hat, claps, open hats. 808. Snare. Here is final loop with drums.
Ice gear.